everyone! Welcome back to Science Club. Today, I'm going to show you 4 incredible chemistry experiments you can try at home. These experiments will help you understand some core principles of chemistry, from polymer production to metal reactions, and even how to make a simple battery. But before we start, always remember, safety first. Make sure you have all the necessary protective gear like gloves and goggles. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have polymer production making nylon. For this, you'll need adipic acid, hexamethylene-tetramine, some glass containers, a heater, and a spatula. Mix equal parts of adipic acid and hexamethylene-tetramine in a glass container. Heat the mixture until it melts, stirring as it heats up. As it cools down, you'll notice nylon threads forming. These threads are strong and stretchy, showing the unique properties of nylon as a synthetic polymer. Isn't that amazing? Now let's move on to our second experiment. In this experiment, we'll observe how metals react with acid iron and hydrochloric acid. You'll need some iron nails, hydrochloric acid, safety goggles, and gloves. Pour the hydrochloric acid into a container and add the iron nails. Watch as the acid reacts with the iron, releasing gas and increasing the temperature. The iron dissolves, forming hydrogen gas. This is a great example of a chemical reaction between a metal and an acid. See those bubbles? That's the hydrogen gas being released. Next, we'll make a simple battery using a lemon in our lemon battery experiment. You'll need a lemon, a piece of zinc, a piece of copper, and a small LED bulb. Insert the zinc and copper pieces into the lemon, making sure they don't touch. Connect the 2 pieces to the LED bulb. The acid in the lemon creates a chemical reaction between the zinc and copper, generating enough electricity to light the bulb. It's like magic, but it's all chemistry. Finally, we have crystal growing. For this, you'll need hot water, borax, a clean glass jar, some string, and food coloring if you want to add some color. Dissolve the borax in hot water in the jar, and then suspend a string tied to a weight, like a nail, in the solution. Let it sit for a few days and watch as beautiful crystals begin to form on the string. This is a fascinating way to see crystallization in action. Look at those stunning crystals. And there you have it, 4 awesome chemistry experiments you can try at home. Remember, safety is key. So always wear your protective gear and handle all chemicals with care. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more fun and educational content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.